OMTEC, to me, is really a one-stop shop. The networking, it's almost like a family affair. You go, you meet and greet your existing supply base that you've been dealing with throughout the years, and you get to embrace and meet new supply base that you're wanting to do new business with. The amount of relationships that I've built throughout the years of attending OMTEC have just been phenomenal.
The more relationships I can create and foster, that's going to continue to enhance my career. And that in turn will benefit our organization.
Every year that I go, I learn something different, like 3D printing and new packaging suppliers.
This to me is an absolute no-brainer. I don't think there's a better investment.
I've never had a need to go anywhere else. It's an opportunity for people like myself and quality and product development engineers just to go out and explore and see what's out there.